Mold might seem like an easy fix, but DIY removal can often do more harm than good. Scrubbing visible mold without proper tools can release millions of tiny spores into the air, spreading it to other areas of your home. Many people turn to bleach, thinking it's the ultimate solution. While it might lighten the stain, bleach rarely penetrates porous surfaces like wood or drywall where mold roots itself. Worse, the moisture left behind can feed the mold, making it grow back even faster. Without professional-grade tools or knowledge, attempts to remove mold often spread spores further. This can worsen contamination and increase exposure to harmful mycotoxins, which can lead to respiratory issues, headaches, and more severe health problems. Instead of risking your health and spreading the problem, rely on solutions that fully eliminate mold at its source and prevent it from returning. Protect your home and your health with BenzaRid, your reliable defense against mold. Visit BenzaRid.com to learn more.